So are you ready? Because I am excited, thrilled, happy, crazy. You know what? I have been wanting this camera forever for the vlogging. मुझे फ़ोन से व्लॉग करने में ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है क्योंकि आप उसमें देख नहीं सकते हो यार. एंड आई वांटेड अ कैमरा सो दैट आई कैन जस्ट सी माई सेल्फ इन एंड yup, and I am happy. I am really happy. I wanted Sony का camera, but Sony का camera out of stock है all over India. So I had to buy Canon का vlogging camera. Especially I bought it from Chennai. ले लो, Reliance Digital ले लो. It was unavailable. Sony वाला unavailable. ये वाला available था, but ये ना last piece बचा था shop में नहीं Reliance Digital में. And I had to like get it because it's been my dream for like almost like 4 to 5 years that I wanted to have a YouTube channel vlog. Excited. Now you're gonna see all the bunch of random videos. Cinematic नहीं होंगे, बहुत aesthetic wise नहीं होंगे, but I'm gonna enjoy with this camera and you are going to enjoy it too.